When I was in year 12, and particularly when I was struggling to understand a particular concept, my first thing that I would do is get together a group of students so that we could bounce ideas off of each other. Even when I found that I was really comfortable with a particular concept, I always thought that the best way to make sure that you can synthesize the information that you know down to the required time that you need to be able to answer a question in was to teach that content to somebody else who's struggling. As a result, I'm a massive fan of group work. Some of my best tutoring experiences have been when I've tutored a small group of students. I think being able to work in that group environment, particularly when that group environment is effective and tailored towards what everyone is struggling with, is probably one of the most effective ways of learning the content in year 12. I would really recommend giving group work a go, whether that's attending a class that's in a small group of students, or just getting together with your friends and having a chat about the content that you're all struggling with. Make sure that you try and teach each other things and identify gaps in each of your knowledge. That way, when you go into the exam period, you'll be on top of absolutely everything in the syllabus. Without a doubt, there'll be somebody in that room who is probably better than you at a particular concept. Get them to help you out, and in return, help them. Make year 12 a collaborative experience. Makes it a whole lot better to know that you're not in this alone and that there's a group of students out there to help you when you need it.